Klaviyo is an email and SMS platform that connects to your store and sends messages based on what customers actually do. Klaviyo is an email and SMS platform that connects to your store and sends messages based on what customers actually do. To set it up, you first make an account at http://klavio.com using a business email that matches your domain. Gmail and Yahoo addresses work for testing, but they hurt deliverability when you start sending for real. So switch to something like hello@yourdomain.com as soon as you can. Once you're inside, Klaviyo will ask you to connect your store. If you're on Shopify, it's one click through the Shopify App Store. For WooCommerce, you install the Klaviyo plugin and paste your API key. This connection pulls in your customers' orders, products, and events like added to cart and placed order automatically, so you don't have to upload CSV files later. The next thing that matters for deliverability is sending from your own domain. Go to Settings, then Email, then Sending Domains, and click Add Domain. Klaviyo gives you 3 DNS records, SPF, DKIM, and a tracking CNAME. You copy those into your domain provider where you manage DNS, usually Cloudflare, GoDaddy, or Namecheap. After you add them, click Verify. It can take up to 48 hours for DNS to update, but once it's done, your emails will show as coming from http://yourdomain.com instead of Klaviyo's domain, and Gmail and Outlook will trust you more. Set up a branded tracking domain too, like http://trackyourdomain.com, so your links look clean and your click tracking stays accurate. Before you send anything, fill out your organization details under Settings and Organization Settings. Add your business name, physical address, and phone number. This is required by law under CAN-SPAM and GDPR. Also set your brand logo, colors, and default sender name. People open emails more when they see a real name, like Isha from Craftco, instead of no reply. Now create a list for people who sign up. Go to Audience, Lists, and Segments, and make a list called Newsletter Subscribers. Then make a sign-up form under Sign-up Forms. Start with a simple pop-up that appears on exit intent or after 15 seconds. Ask only for email and first name too. Keep friction low. Offer something clear in exchange, like 10% off the first order or weekly tips. Connect the form so new signups go straight into your newsletter subscribers list. If you're targeting EU visitors, make sure the form has a consent checkbox because GDPR requires it. Once your store is connected, check analytics and metrics to confirm events are coming in. You should see viewed product, added to cart, started checkout, and placed order showing up in real time. If you don't see placed order, the integration isn't working and your automations won't trigger correctly. So fix that before moving on. The real power of Klaviyo is in flows, which are automated sequences that run without you touching them. Build 3 flows first. The welcome flow triggers when someone subscribes to your list. Make it 3 or 4 emails over 7 days. Email 1 delivers the discount and introduces your brand. Email 2 tells your story or shows your best products. Email 3 adds social proof and a gentle call to action. The abandoned cart flow triggers when someone starts checkout but doesn't buy. Use 2 or 3 emails over 48 hours. The first is a simple reminder with the product image. The second handles objections and adds FAQ. The third creates urgency or offers a small discount. The post-purchase flow triggers after someone buys. Send 3 emails over 14 days. First, confirms the order and sets expectations. Second, shows how to use the product and suggests complementary items. Third, asks for a review or referral. You build these under flows by picking the pre-built templates and adjusting timing and copy. For one-time messages, you use campaigns. Go to Campaigns, create campaign, and pick email. Choose a segment instead of sending to everyone. Good segments to start with are Engage 30 days for people who opened or clicked recently, VIP, customers for people who spent over a set amount and ordered more than once, browse, abandoners for people who viewed products but didn't add to cart, and at-risk customers for people who haven't purchased in 90 days. Write a subject line under 50 characters. Add preview text. Design the email with Klaviyo's drag and drop editor and test it by sending to yourself. Check it on mobile because most people read email on their phone. Schedule it for when your audience is active, usually Tuesday to Thursday, mid-morning in their time zone. Once you have data, turn on send time, optimization, and Klaviyo will pick the best time for each person. When designing emails, keep it simple. One message, one call to action. Use dynamic blocks to pull in product images and names from your store so you don't have to rebuild the email manually. Avoid sending image-only emails because spam filters don't like them. Save good designs as templates so you can reuse them. After you send, look at analytics and reporting. A healthy open rate is 20 to 30% for cold lists and 40% plus for engaged segments. Click rate should be 2 to 5%. Watch unsubscribe and spam rates and keep them under 0.5%. If they go higher, you're emailing people who don't want your messages. A/B test one thing at a time, like subject lines or send times, and let Klaviyo pick the winner automatically. A few mistakes will kill your results fast. Don't buy email lists. Don't send every campaign to your whole list. Don't ignore mobile formatting. Don't use a Norply address. And don't let your list get dirty. Remove hard bounces and people who haven't opened or clicked in 6 months, so your sender reputation stays clean. Once the basics run, add SMS if you're in a supported country. Build a browse abandonment flow. Set up a win-back flow for customers who haven't bought in a while, and connect your review app so customer photos and ratings pull into emails automatically. That's the whole setup in practice. Connect your store, verify your domain, make a list and sign-up form, confirm, metrics are tracking, build welcome, abandoned cart and post-purchase flows, start sending targeted campaigns, and check your numbers weekly to improve. In conclusion, setting up Klaviyo for the first time can feel like a lot. But once you connect your store, verify your domain, and get those 3 basic flows running, the system mostly takes care of itself. The goal isn't to send more emails. It's to send the right message to the right person at the right time using the data your store already collects. Start simple. Check your numbers each week. Clean your list regularly and let Klaviyo's automations handle the repeat work while you focus on your products and customers. If you keep it consistent and make small improvements based on what your audience actually responds to, email and SMS will become one of the most reliable channels for both sales and customer relationships.